Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, January 26, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, as Trump pitches American business at the big conference in Switzerland yesterday and today, the the Dow just screams. This thing is unbelievable. It made 224 points today, and already we're within striking distance of 27,000. And if you stop to think, we make 27,000, we're getting in striking distance of 30,000. These are levels that nobody ever dreamed about. And it is unbelievable and just a spectacular thing to watch. Apart from that, we didn't have a very hot day. It was kind of a typical Friday, which is kind of surprising. We did okay with our exits. We took out almost $3,400 out of the six positions we had on our exits, and I believe those were negative yesterday. Oh, no, they weren't. But anyway, still, $3,400 positive in our exits. That was pretty good. The problem is, despite this huge rally that didn't even look back, we got into 10 positions, 4 were positive, 6 were negative, and we are holding negative $5,000 over the weekend. So, we made over 3,000, but we're holding negative 5,000. So that's not a terrible day, but it's not a day that we really can count as a moneymaker either. We'll just have to see. Not worried about this. I'll show you kind of what happened. This 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 is interesting. This is Mankind Corporation, and this is very volatile, slippery stock, I would say. We see what happened here 2 days ago. We bought Mankind with barely an hour to go, and then yesterday it punched up there. We actually took $4,000 out of this first trade in Mankind. Then we got re-entered here, and it just screamed and screamed and screamed. And when we were up here at the very top of this move, we're up about $13,000. That's just on the re-entry, not counting the $4,000 we made on the first trade. But and then we finished yesterday. We were up over 11,000 in Mankind where it closed here. Well, you can see, unfortunately, what happened here. It just collapsed this morning, and we got stopped out down here, and we got stopped out with $1,000 profit. So we saw this thing go from positive 13,000 up here to positive 1,000 when we actually got out. So that was a little disappointing, but we're traders. This stuff happens all the time. This was the one good stock we had, and this was UGAZ, which is the natural gas bull. We bought this yesterday on this spike toward the beginning of the day. It actually ended up closing against us yesterday, but then we had a nice big gap up this morning, and by the time we got out, we did take positive $2,000 out of UGAZ. That was the best trade of the day, and that really accounted for why we ended up positive 3,300 for our takeouts. Anyway, I'm not complaining at all. I'm actually going to start looking at developing our February portfolio this weekend, and I will be back here on Monday. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a fantastic weekend.